Joining a meeting. There are many ways to join a meeting. Here we will cover how to join a meeting via email invitation. When you receive the invitation, you can see the join link within the email. Click this invitation and you are now redirected to your browser, where you'll be prompted to either download or launch Zoom if you have previously downloaded the software. If you see the message, "Waiting for host to start this meeting," then it means that the host has not started the meeting on their side yet. This gives you the opportunity to test your computer audio while waiting on them. You can select your output device and output levels, your input device and input levels, and virtual background. The second option is to join the meeting directly from the Zoom application. You can view all upcoming meetings by clicking the Meetings tab, then quickly selecting Join. In this video, we have shown you how to join a Zoom meeting.